years ago, and being a citizen of this beautiful city, it's a city of gardens. If you observe, there are 7 gardens in this city, and these are open spaces left for people to rest, recuperate, for children to play. My earlier generation have played there. I have played here, and my few next generations also have played here. So we want this garden to be maintained, retained. And today Carnival has achieved commercial proportions. There are stalls to sell articles. That is not Carnival. Carnival should be a spontaneous feast of the people. Participation of the people should be all over the city, not only in one place. Here it causes tremendous traffic jam. Urination is all over. Bottles of alcohol, even if the alcohol is prohibited, bottles of alcohol. And most insulting we feel, there is an emblem here, Ashoka pillar you can see on top here. It is a very honored place for the garden. Ashoka pillar, national emblem is here. And so we have to show respect and concern in this garden and even adjoining area, and even in that park, opposite park, not to allow anything. When we appeal to the government and the state authorities should listen to the voices of the citizens, not to create chaos. Today there is tremendous traffic increase, tremendous population increase, and these commercial activities should be taken away from the city. If you see, Ifi is taken right away to Bamboli, right on the Taligaon plateau. All these celebrations, they should be shifted. They are not against, in principle, against the carnival celebration. They are requesting to shift, not to destroy the greenery, the green lungs which are left, and to preserve and to respect. Especially we appeal to the Chief Secretary to educate all the officials to learn to respect national symbols. Now a lot is spoken about the flag code. There is no code for the national emblem. But every letterhead of the government, if they are knowing, Chief Secretary himself is issued under the national emblem, which is here, Ashoka pillar. So that should be respected in this garden. There should be no commercial activity, no celebration of any kind of carnival or any other event in this garden. This is a place of rest and recreation and greenery and green lungs of the city.
The Collector and District Magistrate, North Goa, the Deputy Collector and Subdivision Magistrate, the Director General of Police, the Commissioner of CCP, Corporation of the City of Panjim, the Commissioner of Excise, the Police Inspector, the Electrical Engineer, and the Member Secretary of Goa State Pollution Control Board. Because of air pollution and other garbage and all these problems comes up when we have this. So these are all highly respected, they're all senior officers of the government, top officers of the government. We expect them to take action within a week. Yesterday we gave the memorandum. And in case they fail, I mean, we hope they don't fail us. In case they fail, we are announcing here today that we'll take recourse to legal action. They'll be forced. So our request is, please do not force us and trouble us. Please respect the wishes of the people of Panjim. Do not disturb the senior citizens, the children, everybody who comes and enjoy this park. And keep this peace and tranquility as we have said.